So today's video is types of investment. So we all know how important investment is. So whenever we make money, it could be your salary, it could be your retirement money, or it could be even some unexpected money, maybe a gift from your father, or maybe some bonus from your company. Or there are multiple ways that money gets accumulated to one's hand. Just earning more and making more money cannot make one person too rich. The major secret behind making money is the money should work for you. This is a very common term every financial expert speaks, saying like the money should work for you, make the money to work, you don't work, all these things. But how to make it in fact? So there are so many techniques and so many tools through which you can multiply or add more and more money with the money what you have. So with that all said, let's get into the topic. So before getting into the investment, one need to analyze themselves how much risk can self, the individual, can bear with. So some of the people will be able to take more risk, and some might be able to take medium risk, and some could be taking low risk. What is risk first? Risk is something which is a threat to your principal what you have invested. For example, if we have invested 1 lakh in something, and if we get a return of 95,000 after a year, the investment has actually decreased, which means you have taken a high risk and the risk did not work out. So one need to analyze what is their risk capability. So risks are of generally three types, so namely high, medium and low. So one of the famous example for high risk investment is stock market. Whereas if the risk is higher, obviously your return what you may get is also higher. For that you need to be wise in choosing what tool or what type of investment that you are doing in case of high risk stocks. So that is mostly it will be stock market in India. That's the highest risk factor that one could take. And the second one is medium risk. Tools for medium risk is something like mutual fund and then corporate bonds. Even nowadays, some of the government bonds are a bit riskier, whereas the CRISIL have rated them as FAAA or even AA or AA minus. There are chances where your money may get uh, a bit down on those investments, or you might make a marginal profit which is little better than your FD or RD rates. So the lower risk factor lower risk investment tools are like something like FD or RD, whatever you make, fixed deposit or recurring deposit, or even something like post office or NSE, or your regular post office investment plans, whatever they give, or even your PPF. All these things comes under this low risk category. So the next topic is about the ancient investment tools what we were using for years and years, maybe some decades, for the past decades, what our mom, dad, or even our uncle, aunt, someone will be using it, some or the other, even ourselves sometimes. So the first one when it comes to investment, Indians think about is real estate. Buy a house, that's all, you are settled in your life. That's what they say. You have a house and you're married, you have kids, you're settled. That's how people will say. So real estate is one of the very vital uh, thing that Indians consider. And the second one is gold. Gold is sentimentally attached for people, and it's something very precious that every Indian wants to keep accumulating with no reasons other than it's valuable. So it's the most attractive investment any Indian would do. So that's the second one, gold ornaments, or it could be any form of gold bar or whatever. And the third one is bank investments. We still consider that banks are very safer in India, and we keep investing all our money in either in savings bank or FD or RD, or maybe some 5 year investments, or even some. I consider post office also a sort of banks kind of. So in all these forms of investment, either of it every Indian will be having in their house. So this is the ancient investment options what we had for the past few decades, and still undoubtedly these are some of the safest investment that I would like to call. So in the upcoming video we'll see the modern investment tools and what are all the different options that we have in India for an investor. Um, there are plenty of options available now in this modern era, and we are just going to give a glimpse of what is what in the upcoming video. So stay tuned.